Sorry it's taking a little bit to get to you. It's actually pretty simple. We're just going to use this equation right here that he gave us. And we're going to basically just plug in the numbers there. I'll show you how to do it. So with this particular problem we were looking at, it gives us the amount that we started with, the amount original, and then we have the amount after a certain amount of time. And so we just set that up. It's easiest if you use that one that has the amount over a certain time over the amount original, and then you just solve. It's pretty simple. So nt over not equals. So we throw in our nt, our amount of substance after a certain amount of time. We have 5.1. Then we put that over our amount original. And then we take the log of both sides. And when we take the log of both sides, it's going to bring this in down to the front of this equation here. Or sorry, not that equation, but that number. So it's going to end up looking like this. And then we just kind of plug and chug, as we call it. Just pull up my calculator. So the log of 5.1 over 15.2 gives us a negative number, which is alright, because when we do the log of the other side, it'll also give us a negative. And I'm just going to round up pretty significantly, but you'll get close enough of a number for it to be accurate. We take the log of 1/2. And we're just going to divide both sides by this negative 0.3. That's going to give us 1.56 equals n. And if we look at our possible answers, we have 1.6 there, which is highlighted as the correct answer. And after we round up, that is the answer we get. So like I mentioned, you're just going to take the number that I gave you for the amount after a certain amount of time, and then divide that by the amount you started with. But first you take the log of those two numbers, and then you take the log of 1/2, and then you just divide by whatever that log of 1/2 is, and then you end up with your correct values.